Good morning, everyone. My name is Akhila. Today I am discussing about types of energy. First, what is energy? Energy is simply defined as work. Energy makes things happen. Energy is defined as the ability to do work. It can only be converted from one form to another form. First, types of energy. There are two types of energy. One is kinetic energy and another is potential energy. Under kinetic energy, there are five energies. They are mechanical energy, thermal energy, sound energy, electrical energy, and radiant energy. Under potential energy, there are four energies. They are chemical energy, gravitational energy, nuclear energy, and elastic energy. First, what is potential energy? Potential energy is the energy that is stored in a body due to its position or its configuration. First, an object held at height like hammer has a potential energy. Either the objects is kept at height or objects is compressed or stretched, so there is a position or change in configuration of objects involved. So, and compressed air spring has a potential energy and stretched air rubber band has a potential energy. All the objects are storing energy in them, waiting to be released. So that's why it is called a potential energy. Next, gravitational energy. Gravitational potential energy is the energy stored in an object due to its position above the earth's surface. It is the energy of position or place. The energy that is produced is kinetic energy and potential energy. First, we raise an object above the earth's surface. This body possesses gravitational potential energy. It also means if you can change the position of an object, gravitational field vertically, the body will gain gravitational potential energy. Examples hydropower, such as water in a reservoir behind a dam. When an object gains a height, it possesses gravitational potential energy. When an object is moving, it possesses kinetic energy. When an apple falling down from a tree, the potential energy of an apple is converted to kinetic energy. For example, tree branches high up the tree having potential energy because they can fall on the ground. When it falling towards the earth, after some times it loses potential energy and completely gains kinetic energy. Potential energy of a freely falling body is equal to its mass times height at constant gravitational force. Next, chemical energy. Chemical energy is the energy stored in matter. Energy can be released or consumed during a chemical reaction. Energy absorbed or energy absorbed during a chemical reaction. The food we eat contains chemical energy. Examples food, batteries, petroleum, wood, so on. These are the examples. Next, nuclear energy. Energy stored in the nucleus of an atom is known as the nuclear energy. For example, fission, nuclear power plants, or bombs. Fusion, energy produced in the sun. Next, elastic energy. Elastic potential energy is the energy that is stored by the forces within a distorted elastic objects. It can be found in rubber bands and springs, etc. When we compressed or stretched spring gains elastic potential energy. Next, kinetic energy. The energy of motion is called kinetic energy. It means that Kinetic energy is associated with the movement or motion of objects. Remember that by the motion of objects we mean the motion of large objects. For example, a body is moving on the road, then we say this body possesses kinetic energy. For example, we are rolling a ball down a hill. When an object is moving, it possesses kinetic energy. First picture, it is in rest position, ball is in rest position, and second picture it is moving, means when an object is moving it possesses kinetic energy. Examples: shooting a rubber band, water falling over the fall, etc. Next, mechanical energy. Mechanical energy is the combination of all the potential energies and kinetic energy that something has. This is the energy we use every day to physically move things. From when we move chair from one place to another, we are using mechanical energy. For examples, elevator, car, hammer in motion, so on. Next, thermal energy. What is thermal energy? Energy possessed within the body or system due to movement of the particles within the object or system. For example, adding ice to a glass of water causes the temperature of water to decrease because the thermal energy in the water causes ice to melt. Turning propane, thermal energy by turning propane. Next, sound energy. Sound energy is the movement of energy through substances. It enables us to either communicate or hear each other while speaking, a buzzing bee, a car horn, music, etc. Next, electrical energy. Electrical energy is energy stored in moving electrons. Life is without electrical energy is not possible in modern days because that is our maximum machineries either or any other across the globe run on electrical energy. Won't able to use our phones, laptops, TVs, etc. if there is no electrical energy. For example, power in power lines. Lightning is an energy of electrical energy in nature, so on. Next, radiant energy. Radiant energy is the electromagnetic waves. It helps us to see things. For example, the sources of light, stars, sun, bulb, so on. Radiant energy includes X-rays or etc. Thank you.